Can you run a YouTube channel directly from an Amazon Fire tablet? Today I'm going to be answering that question. In short, technically yes, you can run a YouTube channel from one of these devices. There are a few things that you need to do first though. The first thing you will need to do is follow my tutorial to install the Google Play Store. Now the reason you need to do that is you need to install the YouTube app and also the YouTube Studio app in order to run your channel. This will enable you to upload videos and also keep in touch with your subscribers and have a look at things like your demographics of your audience, how much money you're earning from the advertising, that type of thing. Once you've followed the tutorial, you've installed the Google Play Store, then all there is really to do is make your videos. Now you can record video on these devices. Admittedly it's not very good, but let's take a quick look anyway. One of the worst problems with it is the front facing camera is absolutely shit. The rear facing camera is not much better, but it's marginally better, but it's still shit. So as you can see there, you might want to use a different device to record your footage, but don't let that put you completely off, because you can actually edit your video on one of these devices. So first thing you need to do is go into the Play Store and search for an app called Power Director. And once you have found the app, I'll just talk you through a bit of it. So you can chroma key on this, which is very useful. You can make movies, photo video edit, add video effects, create video memories, add voiceovers, and save and share. So if you go into the app, take a few seconds to set up on the first use, but once it has done, you just click on the shutter to start a new project and call it what you like, and you have a lovely timeline and all of your media that's on your device ready to drop into that timeline. So I'll just show you a quick example here of one of the clips I've just shown. I'm just going to trim this down so that I remove the garbage at the beginning and get my perfect shot on my face. There we go. And then we'll just play it through. There's no audio this time, don't want to swear on here, do I? And then when we get to the end, I'm just going to trim off the end bit where I am dropping the camera to my perfect face again. There we go. Simple edit there. So I could export that and upload it to YouTube, but I'm not going to. Next up is the YouTube Studio app. So once you've set up your channel, if you go into here, you can get all sorts of information, most of which I've blocked out there for privacy reasons. And then to upload, very simple, go into the YouTube app and click on the camera up in the top right hand corner, and once you are in there, you just tap the video you want to upload and away it goes. So there we go. It is technically possible to use one of these really ridiculously cheap tablets to run a YouTube channel. Think of the possibilities. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so. And I usually upload every Monday night, but I am going to start trying to upload a few more videos a week, as I'm getting quite into it a bit more now. And I'm very much open to suggestions of things that you want to see in my videos. I am looking in the next few weeks at doing some more PC builds. I'm also looking at doing some PC refurbishments, so I'm going to be looking at taking some knackered old computers and turning them into something that could be used for gaming or simple office work or emulation, that kind of thing. You know the drill. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so down there. See you next time.